We're currently at a place called Acai Cafe. Say the word, I said Acai, but it's acai.
Yes, it's acai.
Now we know it, no one's have to battle.
So what it is acai on the bottom, granola, then you have your banana. It's gonna have coconut shavings on top, as well as graham crackers, Nutella, and peanut butter.
First time having it.
Acai Cafe.
Acai again. I got brain freeze a little bit, but it's good.
That was cold. I was making that face because it was cold.
Yeah, I got brain freeze one.
I'll tell you what, I like it with that watermelon though.
Yeah, where it won't
Yo, straight up. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on another episode of JL Jupiter TV.
What up, what up, what up?
Today we're currently here on, I think it's Westmont. It's on the border of like Westmont, right down the street from Collingswood and Haddonfield. And we're at a place called Acai Bowl Cafe. No, let me correct that. We're currently at a place called Acai Cafe. I've seen these places popping up. So for anyone that don't know what it is, I don't know what it is either. So that's why I'm doing the video. You don't know what it is?
It's my first time having it.
I just know it's like healthy eating, right? So I always try to balance out, you know, some of the savory meals, some of the hearty meals, and then you know, I want to balance out videos with something like a little bit on the healthier side. So that's why I'm here. And refreshing. I want some fresh fruit, whatever. So that's why we're here. I don't know what it is, so that's why I'm doing this video. So we can inform each other, all right? So let's go and check it out, y'all. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go try some acai. Let's go try acai bowl.
I am one of the owners at Acai Cafe here at 148 Haddon Avenue at Haddon Township. The way we got started was last year. My son has been doing mixed martial arts for about 15 years or so, and acai is very popular with the Brazilian population, and after matches a lot of fighters actually rehydrate or re-energize themselves eating acai. So he actually started last year. He went to California and he saw how popular this was in California itself and also down the shore. So here in Central Jersey, a lot of people don't know about acai or don't have an acai place. He and my son and my two sons actually sat down at my kitchen table and started coming up with the menu. It took about 4 months for them to come up with the whole entire menu with the measurements and all. And that's how we started. It's a family-owned restaurant. Our products are basically all fresh fruits. We don't put any preservatives, anything in our fruits. What makes us different than anybody else is basically what we do is we make it a custom for our customers. So if you don't want something in the base, or you don't want something in your smoothie, or you want to customize your own smoothie, we actually can do that for you.
I said it all wrong.
I know I was going to say.
People say the word, I said acai, but it's acai.
Yes, it's acai.
Now we know it, no one's have to battle.
So that's not the only thing that we carry. We also carry acai, we carry pitaya, which is / dragon fruit. We made our own base, which is called the mean green. It's like kale, spinach, mangoes, all blended together. We also have our King Kong bowl, which is basically a banana base, and we also have a strawberry base.
So what do you suggest for us to get today?
So I can tell you our most popular ones are the Chunky Monkey is the acai base. The Fruity Tooty is also an acai base. And then in our pitaya base, the popular one is the lava bowl or the aruba bowl.
Okay, let's do it. spot. It's actually, you know, very green, very healthy, man. So shout out to all my health conscious people out there. This is a acai bowl that we ordered. We always ask, what do you guys recommend? What are the most popular things to get? And we got 2 things here. One of them is called the Chunky Monkey acai bowl, and the other one is the Mean Green acai bowl. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you right now. This is the Chunky Monkey right here. Acai in the bottom. This is a meal replacement, you know. So it smells like a Reese's Pieces buttercup, you know. Other one. I'm gonna show you guys this other. What's this one right here?
That one is the Acai, that one is the Sensational.
Sensational. Okay. All right. So Chunky Monkey, and this one is the
Mean Green.
Mean Green. This looks like a winner. Presentation alone, very healthy, very refreshing. It'll get your mind right if you're training or just want to lose some weight. This is it right here. So I know some of my followers, you guys hated some of the, or you guys hated that one. Well, I shouldn't say y'all. There are some people who hated some of the healthy episodes that I've done, but yo, I'm here just to discover new food, and I'm trying to eat right too. You know, I ain't trying to have a heart attack.
I know, right, man?
We trying to eat righteous here.
Because if you do, man, I'm going to bust up in that mother, the funeral and be like,
Last but not least, right here, this is the Sensational bowl.
that looks sensational.
This looks sensational. I love the colors here, man. This looks really good. This is really heavy too. This is a meal, you know? Acai on the bottom. You got kiwi here. I think this is pineapple and mangoes.
And kiwi.
And kiwi. And
Coconut and
some sort of
look like.
Nutella. You said Nutella.
Man, that was Nutella nuts.
You said Nutella.
Nutella.
Where's your mind at, dude?
Yeah,
Don't ever say Nutella around me ever again. It's Nutella, man. Coconut, peanut butter, all that Gucci stuff.
Yeah.
All right, so let me try on this side.
First time having it.
Kind of reminds me of dessert, honestly. Cheers. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Acai Cafe.
Acai again.
That's good, man. Let me taste the acai by itself. Acai is like very light, right? It's light and refreshing. Granola has a nice texture to it. Some fiber too. Banana. Yeah, this is really good. It's delicious.
Fresh.
I'm digging that. And I've been working out too. I dropped about like 20 pounds.
You know what? I wish I could say the same thing.
Well, I dropped about 20 pounds. So.
I actually hear myself getting fatter right now, man. You wanna go for the mean green?
Let's do the mean green next. Let's do the mean green.
The mean green. And
Mean green, man. Acai on the bottom. Granola. I think there's no, there's no bananas in this one. So it's blueberry, watermelon, and
Blackberry?
Is it blackberry? I think it's blackberry.
Blackberry molasses.
Yeah.
One of the things that never change. There's 2 mil. This is 2 of them. I probably missed out on today.
Cheers.
I got brain freeze a little bit, but it's good.
That was cold. I was making that face because it was cold.
Yeah, I got brain freeze on.
I'll tell you what, I like it with that watermelon though.
Yeah,
Yo, straight up. The acai with the watermelon. Yo, that's super refreshing.
The mean green.
I feel healthy already. We got the flaxseed. That's flaxseed, right? What's flaxseed?
Coconut, ain't it? Oh,
Under it. See that?
Yeah, it's like
Yeah, so you gotta get your bowel movements right, you know? After watching and eating all the other stuff that we eating, get you an acai bowl here, Acai Cafe.
So this is refreshing. Honestly, yo, this is like something I needed to do right
Facts.
now. Well, I feel real good.
I'm gonna do it with the blueberry and the watermelon. You know, blueberries is superfood.
Let me get one of them. Let me get some of them
You know what I mean?
blueberries.
Antioxidants on fleek right here. This will definitely get your bowel movements right.
Let's go.
Ooh. Oh.
Cold.
Cold. If you got sensitive teeth, tell them to slow down the ice.
Yo, you know how many times I walk past or ride past an Acai place? I've never thought to come in here and try it.
Yeah, we just don't know. I've seen it too. They're popping all over the place. So this is good, man. This is good stuff.
The best way to put it, refreshing. It made me feel good inside. Yo, it make me want to smile right now, man. It make me
Refreshing conversation for the mind.
as we live.
All right, so up next we're gonna do the sensational bowl. I don't know what it's blended with. I don't know what the acai is blended. Maybe what? What do you think? Something pink.
I see mango. Oh, I don't know
No,
what
underneath.
that pink. She said dragon fruit. She said dragon fruit. Yes.
Got the pineapple here. Let's go.
Cheers.
Sure. It's taking me to the islands right now. This one's taking me to the islands.
Shabba.
Feel like I'm on the beach right now.
Right by the beach.
That mango's doing it for me. And the pineapple. Let me dig in with the other stuff. Kiwi. Chocolate has good sweetness to it.
That's so refreshing, man.
Very well done, man. I highly recommend for you guys to try acai bowl here at Acai Cafe, right on Haddon Avenue, you know? If you're on that wave tip of working out, health, fitness, meal replacement, come give them a shot.
Forget that. You just want something refreshing.
You don't want a meal that holds you down. You're kind of like, you know,
And it wakes you up too. 'Cause I was like,
yeah,
I feel power now, man.
it's a fact.
I got a basketball game tonight, so you know what time it is.
There's a lot of people that watch my video too, and you know, I gotta be responsible sometimes on the content I put out. As far as I know, I put out like a lot of like very savory type of food, very hearty food, you know. But I know some people have weight issues, like myself. I tend to overeat, and sometimes food can be our addiction. But just so you know, I'm with you guys. You guys can do it. And if you're looking to lose weight, you know, try acai bowl. And you know, I'm gonna pray for y'all. Drink mad water. That's what I do too. That's how I'm able to keep my weight down.
That was emotional a little bit, man. You should have had some slow music, like doo-doo-doo. You know, some people are, you know.
I'm being serious though. I have weight issues myself, man. And I just want to let you guys know you guys can do it because, you know, it's willpower. You just got to build up your willpower. If you guys can't watch some of my videos, then just don't watch my videos. And I totally understand that. But it really comes down to you, your responsibility as a person, because you're responsible for your own health, right? So stop making excuses. Get you right. Drink mad water. Water pretty much cures a lot of things. You know, drop that soda. And this is an option for you guys, you know, for your weight loss right here. Acai bowl.
Option flavor to it.
Yeah, there's a lot of fiber here, so whatever you put in your body should be coming out, you know, regularly. This will help you out for sure. So that's my message for this vlog, you know what I mean, is that I'm praying for everyone in their weight loss journey. And you can do it. I lost 20 pounds. Everything in moderation. Even moderation needs moderation. So let that one sink in.
Word. That was deep, man.
Sink in.
That was deep.
Yeah. I helped this guy. He used to be 345 pounds.
Word up.
I'm just kidding.
But boss, these are on the house.
Oh.
2 fruit teas. They're iced tea with chunks of fruit.
Oh, thank
Oh
you.
man,
Oh,
look
shucks.
at this. Now this is what I'm talking about right
And
here.
just when we was
The universe was hearing me right now. I'm like, I want something refreshing. It comes with a fork too. Look at this. Now
Dude.
this is a banger.
I got my favorite color straw.
That's right. He low key Crip.
Ooh.
Nah, he loves the color blue.
Don't.
I love it, man. This is my favorite color. I don't know, green.
Yeah, you an Eagles
It's the
fan.
universe, man. So yeah, we're gonna end it off with this. I can tell you already, this is refreshing. This is a a homemade iced fruit tea, whatever. You know what I mean? Iced sweet tea. This is gonna clean me out really
Let's
well.
just go ahead and get to the bottom of this thing
Let's do
right
it.
now.
Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode.
Peace. Come down to Florida, down by the sea, on the blanket. Ooh, man, this is refreshing.
Woo!